Welcome back to my first test drive of the Long Range Model S 2021 edition. It goes 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds, has a 402-mile range, and 670 horsepower. So they've redesigned the front to have the lowest drag coefficient of any production car ever made. They've widened the front and the rear by a couple inches for a more sporty look and better performance. It has adjustable suspension. Okay, so they've redesigned the steering wheel to this Yoke design, and some people love it, but some people hate it. There's chill, sport, and insane mode. You can, what's drag strip? Whoa.
It warms up the battery.
Conditioning for peak performance. 7 minutes. Or make that steering. Comfort mode, standard mode, sport mode. Just to make it just like more tighter. I think I like it. I do like it, but it takes some getting used to. Thanks for watching.